Greetings and welcome to my channel, the Empress Sheba. Hi, I am the Empress Sheba. Feel free to check out my other channels if you're into music and garden livity. In this video, I am rocking my box braids that I am taking down today. It is time to take them down. It's been over a month. I have kept these in. I'm so proud of myself for leaving my hair alone this long. Now in this section, I am cutting the braids to begin to take them down. And do you ever get scared to cut those extensions out thinking you're gonna cut your real hair, knowing your hair ain't even that long? That's what I was doing. I was thinking, go lower, go lower. What if you cut your hair? Girl, you know your hair was not that long when you started and it doesn't grow from the bottom. The takedown was fairly easy because I did my Empress braid technique. It's just the name that I have given this technique, and that is braiding my hair, using my hair as the middle strand in the strand of 3 that it takes to make a braid, and the caniculon hair on the outer of my hair, therefore basically banding my hair. I'm not splitting my real hair in 3. So to take down is fairly easy. Normally, once you loose the bottom up, you could just slide it on down. But since my hair has been braided for over a month, it's gooky at the roots and it's not sliding down. It's basically stuck right there. However, my hair is very moisturized. It's not dry at all. I can still feel the product in it. I have been shampooing my hair on my regular routine. I have been moisturizing daily. I have been greasing my scalp every other day. And that is what's causing the little buildup that I do have at the roots. Right there where the new growth and the braid begins, there's always going to be a little buildup when you keep your braids in for a long amount of time. The secret to retaining your length after taking out your protective style, your extension braids, is how you detangle your hair right there at the buildup spot. You don't want to just rip through that with a comb. You don't want to just wash that without detangling it. You want to carefully and gently detangle each build-up spot before you do your wash day routine. And in this video, I'm showing you how to get that build-up out with a breeze. Simply, easy, and takes minutes. So what I'm using is fresh aloe vera gel, fresh from the leaf. Just slice you up some aloe vera and you can just rub it on, just like I'm doing here. Squeeze that gel right out and rub it directly on the area of the buildup. And the main tool you will be using to detangle is your fingers. All you need is your fingers. Gently pull that hair apart and the aloe vera will melt that buildup like butter. Essentially, you are fanning with your fingers and pulling out the shed hair as you fan and pull. Pull out the shed hair because the shed hair is what is creating the tangles. You want to make sure you get all that shed hair out so you will not create, what do they call, single strand knots. I called myself in a hurry and I didn't feel like blending my aloe and straining it. But this way is very messy. You have aloe chunks all over the place. So it is really best to go ahead and blend you up some and strain strain it so you can just dip your fingers in the aloe and detangle from there. And eventually that's what I ended up doing on this day, because I was getting fed up with all the aloe chunks flying everywhere and sticking in my hair, and I don't know why I didn't just do that in the first place. I am saturating each strand with the aloe vera, working it through, rubbing it in with my fingers. And once I get a big enough section, I'm gonna twist that up out of the way and continue the process. Here in the back is where I got the most buildup. It's always in the back where you get the buildup. I don't know how that is, but that's the part you have to be very careful with. The best way to go about slicing it, if you are just going to rub it from the leaf, is cut off the edges of the aloe and slice it right down the middle of the flesh and rub either side onto your hair until you get all the gel out and that leaf is dried. You can move on to another piece. After I have finger detangled and got all that shed hair out, do I go in with my brush. And look at the growth I've gotten. I'm loving how my hair is looking. Well, hopefully by now you get the idea of what you should be doing to retain that length and growing your hair. I thank you all for watching so very much. To all my subscribers, to all my new subscribers, I see you. I thank you so much. Oh, you all, thank you so much. Be bliss.